Okay, so welcome ladies and gentlemen. So right now we are going to do a technical analysis of one day chart of Reliance Industries. So what you can see right here is a pretty complicated situation. So what happening here is that we are not able to see any of the bullish patterns of candlesticks, right? So if I just click on the one day chart of Reliance Industries, so you can see that there aren't any proper level of double bottoms or some sort of double tops situation right here. And if you are a expert technical analysis, then just let me know in the comment section that how would you do a technical analysis of this portion of chart. Okay, so because here the things are very complicated. Okay, so particularly what I have noticed is a pattern which I have tried to show with these arrows. Okay, so what's happening right here is you can see a new higher high was formed on 29th September when the market just opened, right? And it started forming new lower highs. You can see right here on the same day, and again on the next day, I guess. Let me just see. Okay, on the same day, new higher high was formed. Sorry, new lower high was formed. Okay, what all these points showing is that there is a very high level of sell pressure, right? There is a very high level of sell pressure right here also, right? But at the same point you can see that new lower lows were formed. You see right there, just a day before, right? A new lower low right here was formed. This all shows a very high level of support, right? So what we're gonna do with this support is we have just formed two arrows which are just showing that the support from the buyers gonna overtake. Let me so what I'm trying to say is that this support, right, which you can see from this point, and then again from this point, and again from this point, this support and this level of resistance which is downgrading, these two arrows gonna meet at a point. These two arrows gonna meet at a point, and then at that point of time the market gonna go up, right? So what I'm trying to say is that within a day or two we will be able to see a very high level of increase in the share price of Reliance Industries. And the another thing which I want to point out is a very high level of support on a 5-day chart, right? Just let me tell you that where is that point. It is at 2480 rupees, right there. You can see it right here on 6th September, right? So what we're gonna do with this point is, if you just go to 3 months chart, you will be able to see that this point on 6th September, this point of resistance was tested several times in 23 September, 24 September, and so on. Okay, so this showing us a very high level of support right here, and which is, I guess, not gonna touch again, because here you can see a very high level of struggle is going on for the rise of the prices, right? If you just go to 6-month chart, then you will be able to see that okay, so directly from that point we have jumped to a 6 months chart of Reliance Industries, and you will be able to see that whenever it forms a higher high. Let me just add a horizontal line here. Whenever, oh, why isn't it placing right here? Sorry, window. Okay, whenever it forms a high level, higher high, then this tests this point several times. You can see here a lot of struggle is going on. If you just go a little bit more back in time, then you will be able to see that whenever a higher high is formed, it's tested several times in the future. So same with this point also, which was on, sorry, I just let me just delete this, which was on 6th September, which I have already pointed out. This point has already been tested in just a few days ago. So hopefully the prices are gonna go rise now, if you just go to one day chart, which I have already explained you guys. Let me just Okay, we are back to one day chart of Reliance Industries, and you can see that the prices of this share gonna go stable now. It will be struck around 50 2530 to 2540, right? Then it's gonna go up as you can see an arrow here. So what you can do is you can just wait for these two arrows to join, right? The moment when they join, it will be like on a 2 day or half. The moment when they join, there is a very high level of possibility that the prices will go up. So you can just place an order at that time and just wait for the market, and you can just add a stop loss, be around like this level of support, which is at 2512. Again on this 2510, relating to your risk profit ratio, which could be like 1 is to 4 or 1 is to 5, right? Your limit gonna be in a ratio of 1.1 is to 5 of the stop loss which you decide, sorry. Okay, so that was all about the technical analysis of this Reliance Industries. I am just a beginner to the share market, right? So just don't completely rely on my viewpoint. I'm just trying to uh, gain as much knowledge I can. So but this situation right now is very complicated situation, because none of the pattern is available, that saying that pattern, that whether this will be high in the future or not. You can see that this arrow is just testing this point right here. That was all about this analysis.